The church will be eclipsed. Anong the church will be eclipsed? Ay mababaliktad. Ang simbahan ay yun nga, i-persecute. It will be eclipsed. The world will be in consternation. But there are Enoch and Elias. They will preach with the power of God, and men of goodwill will believe in God. So ito po, sa kabila ng ito po ay dadating si Enoch at si Elias. At sila ang magpipreach ng gospel of God. They will preach with the power of God, and men of goodwill will believe in God. So ayun po, marami maniniwala, and many souls will be comforted. They will make great progress by virtue of the Holy Ghost, and will condemn the diabolical errors of the Antichrist. So, sila po ito, lalabas na itong si Enoch at si Elias, na yun po na ito daw po na sila ang mga hindi pa nakadanas ng kamatayan. So, ito po, sila ay magbabalik upang i-condemn ang diabolical errors ng Antichrist. Woe to the inhabitants of the earth! There will be bloody wars and famines, plagues, and contagious diseases. There will be frightful showers of animals, thunders which will demolish cities, earthquakes which will engulf countries. Voices will be heard in the air. So ito po, kahabag-habag ang mga inhabitants of the earth, ang mga tao sa mundo at magkakaroon ng bloody wars. Bukod sa bloody wars, sa mga gera ay magkakaroon ng famine, ng plagues, ng tagutom at ito mga plague.